Hello folks, this is the Snake Man coming from Palahu. We have a whole troop of stump-tailed macaw monkeys here. Here's a female with her baby. It is 10 o'clock in the morning on the 9th. Very cool in the forest here. Great day so far. And we'll move down here. There's another one. And we have some over here in the bushes. Some over here in the trees playing. I love it. I love it. Now let's just hope the elephants are out today. This is a good sign. I saw a mongoose about 5 miles down the road, but he was too quick for me. I couldn't get a picture of him. This is what I was waiting for. Beautiful day today. I got a late start, and it turned out okay. See those baby monkeys playing in the trees over there? I can't hardly see through the screen here, but I'm sure you can see them playing. There they are in the trees playing again. Ah, I love this. Love it. There's mom again with the baby. Okay, folks, this is a good video. I'm going to move on, hopefully, to a big elephant. This is Snake Man out here.